Welcome back, everybody. I'm Marcio. You're watching The Urban Man. So today is going to be more of a video for beginners getting into diecast. But if you're already into diecast, jump in, have a look, and maybe you can see some of my cars, check what I have, some of my diecast stuff. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video. So, like I said, more for the beginners. But anyways, so once you dive into the world of diecast, it is overwhelming, and you start looking at everything and anything, and you start buying everything and anything. I mean, 80% of my collection, mostly this Hot Wheels stuff and Matchbox stuff, 80% of this was collected within the first year of me getting into diecast. The other 20% is a year and a half that I've purchased. That's because in the beginning I was just going crazy and everything looked cool, and all these diecasts were amazing, and I didn't know, I just wanted everything and anything. So I quickly found that it's going to get very expensive if I do this hobby this way. So there are going to be two things when you get into diecast that I suggest that you look at. One will be manufacturer wise, but that is also difficult because the second one comes into play. Hello, the second one comes into play, and that is manufacturer, which I suggest that you guys look at or base your buying purchases on. The second one is manufacturer, because then you can jump into anything. You can go to Sparks, you can go to Mini GTs, you can go to the Hot Wheels stuff, the Para stuff. I got even some Timothy Pier here, muscle machines. You can go a bit crazy doing that, going manufacturer wise, which I suggest because it opens up the hobby a little bit more than sticking just to a specific diecast manufacturer. So that's what I did. And then you can start switching it up a little bit, like getting maybe into F1, which I did, I won't say recently, I did do this last year, but now and again I'll add a model here and there to my F1 collection, just to mix it up. I even got a Funko Pop here of Mr. Hammy, which is pretty cool. Instead of just sticking to even some Mini GTs, I've got some F1 Mini GTs over here. I think that's a Mini GT. That's also a Mini GT. That's a Tarmac Works, if I'm not mistaken. This Mercedes over here. So I would suggest sticking to manufacturer maybe, and then picking few little bits of stuff you really like here and there. I mean, even now and again, there's certain collections that come out, like this Fast and Furious collection. Since I've been collecting, there hasn't been that many, and now this year or last year, end of last year, the Fast and Furious collection came out, and I picked up Series 2 and Series 3. I managed to grab all of them. And then this is another, what series was this? This is another series that I managed to pick up. So yeah, you can dive into a lot of things. And like I said, it does get very costly. So I highly suggest sticking to a manufacturer. And for me, that was Porsche. Besides my pegs that I have over here, which I'm going to do another video on this, because I did do a video on pegging your Hot Wheels and Matchboxes here, and that didn't turn out great for me. I'm already going to just show you, if you can see on the top there, I've got some nails. I originally used double-sided tape. That didn't work out great at all. So straight off the bat, if you're watching this for the second time of pegging your diecast, use nails, not just double-sided tape. So then, besides Hot Wheels and Matchbox, I did start diving into other things. And like I said, strictly trying to stick to Porsche things. And now and again, picking up nice little bits of things that really stood out to me. And that really helped me solidify my collection and helped me purchase more things that I really wanted. So like you see here, we got some Paris 64. We got some Timothy Pierce stuff over here, muscle machines even. Auto art, poster cars, there's a Spark model, another Para, there's some Tarmac Works, Schuko. So really just sticking to a particular brand of car, I was able to really enjoy collecting, and not just, it became more of like, damn, I'm spending so much money again. Every time you go into a store, it's like, you're just spending, and then you're actually not really enjoying the hobby. You are enjoying it, but I tell you, once you start hunting down particular, it becomes a hunt trying to find your Porsche cars, or if you collect Toyotas, hunting down your Toyota cars. Here I've got some Lucy's. I mean, this is from some packs that I've picked up. Here we got a nice Cayman. We got a Cayenne over here. This is actually a magnet. I don't know where this came from. I bought it off somewhere. It's actually got a magnet underneath. An old Cayenne over here. So Panameras, turbos. We got over here. Here's a Carrera GT. I got some other mix and match. Here's some McLarens over here. And this I actually 3D printed myself. I 3D printed this so that I could put some Lucy's inside over here as I collect them. Sometimes you find them on Marketplace or, like I said, packs. Then I'll end up buying the pack just for a particular car. Here's another Porsche. I think there's a 356 if I'm not mistaken. Like this suck over here. I got this Merc over here. This is what, the GT3, yeah, AMG GT3 that I picked up, I think also towards the end of last year. And once again, like I said, you don't need to stick to only collecting that manufacturer. When something really pops out, buy it. It's fine. But at least you eyeing out a particular manufacturer that is going to help you guys really just pick certain vehicles. And so when something does stand out, you'll buy it. It's fine, no problem, buy it. Here's my mostly mini GTs. Once again, Kaido House. I love Kaido House stuff. Some of them are collected within the first year, but a lot of them are collected now, recently. We've got the truck over here. Like I said, when something pops out, we've got the Skylines. When something pops out, buy it. Ford GTs, I love Ford GTs as well. And normally, I don't collect every single one. But when there's a particular colorway or something that stands out to me, I'll buy it. Mini GT made quite a couple of these Ford GT40s. And I pick the ones that stand out to me. I don't buy everything. If you want to buy everything, go ahead and do it. It's no problem at all. That's entirely up to you. This was another like limited edition camouflage Skyline. I think this is the R33, if I'm not mistaken. R34? Yeah, R34, sorry. The R35s. Do I have any R35s? I think I did have. Oh yeah, the R35, sorry. Those are the Kaido houses. Was that the R34? No, that's the R34 as well. Damn. I don't actually have any R35s. I thought I had. There's a R33. I actually thought I had R35s. Sorry, I'm confused. And then once again, Porsches. There is, I think, some Tarmac Works in here, if I'm not mistaken. I think that's a Tarmac Works as well as that. But then stick to a certain manufacturer, and once and now again, when something pops out, you're going to purchase it, and that is completely fine. And that's how I managed to just settle down and fine-tune what I really like and what I really wanted. And it keeps you from going crazy and just blowing a ton of cash, because a lot of the times also you'll end up buying stuff and then you'll be like, why did I buy this? I actually don't really like it. I don't have many of those in my collection. There are maybe one or two few little bits here and there where I'm like, yeah, maybe I shouldn't have bought it, but well, now it's in the collection. It is what it is. So anyways, guys, I'm not going to drag this out too long. This is probably longer than it needs to be. I hope that helps you guys out. Appreciate you guys watching. I'll see you in the next video. Peace. Cheers for now.